in my last video I covered how to create variations manually. However, when setting up the video, I found that there was an error that needed to be fixed on some of the asins. The issue was the color variation theme didn't match the product. I'm going to bring up some screenshots of the error, what I wanted to call the product and what the product was called. So we've got graphite grey, however the sofa bed was a yellow or a mustard velvet bed. However, Amazon wouldn't allow the change right away, so because there was such a big difference between the original colour variation theme name compared to the name I wanted to call the product, Amazon would not allow the change. So I'm going to show you how to change the colour theme if you want to create a variation family and if you want everything to work smoothly. So I'm going to show you the method I used on how I changed the colour variation theme, which allowed me to create the parent-child variation in my last video. So go to product details and scroll down to colour. Completely missed it, there we go. Colour. So right now it's all fixed, it's fine, it's mustard velvet. However, it was graphite grey previously. So to fix this, you need to edit one of the words, so you can change one of the words. So rather than graphite grey, we'd type in graphite, so then scroll down, save and finish, wait about 5 or 10 minutes, and then you should see the change active in the back end of your listing. It won't be active on Amazon's website yet, but it would be active on the back end. And then here I typed in mustard, and then I repeated the process. So scrolled down, saved, waited 5 to 10 minutes, and then came back in. I saw that Amazon had accepted the change, and then I typed in velvet, scrolled down, saved it, and waited another 5 to 10 minutes. Amazon accepted this change. So with this, you need to do it quite gradually, and it could take 20 minutes to half an hour, depends on what you're calling your color variation theme. If you get any errors as well, play around with it, because you might face this error. So green velvet, if I click out, Amazon will not accept this because it's a different color. Yep, so the value green velvet specified cannot be used as it conflicts with the value graphite grey. It looks like Amazon hasn't updated their own backend. It should say mustard velvet there. But yeah, play around with it, and if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch.